Hello YouTube. So we're almost at the end, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I am Alice Seraphin and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States in Little Hickville, USA, as I call it, Belfair, Washington. So welcome to my channel. I am currently almost to the end of my December 2023's paper pumpkin kit. It is called All the Best. This is alternative video number 19. So if you are new, you should know that I don't show the things that are in the kit. I do that for the first 5 videos. After that, I am done. So this is the instruction sheet. There are 3 sets of cards that you can make 3 of each, a little acetate box, the envelopes, the QR code on the back that you can look at other projects, a visual of everything in the kit, and the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors, which I'm not going to go into, guys. I'm just trying to shorten the video a bit for you all. I haven't got any feedback yet, but I've asked, what is your perfect length of videos? I've discovered shorts are not for me. That doesn't work out for me. I do apologize to those demonstrators who can do that. Great job. Me, not happening. Not right now anyways. So my scratch pad is getting kind of full there. So let's go over what you're going to need. So we are going to use an envelope as an envelope. Not going to do anything to that. I have, from the beginning, a white card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Layer number 1 is half of a card base at 4 1/4 by 5.5. Layer number 2 is this bit from a scrap of the card base kit. This is 2 3/8 by 4 1/4. This next bit here is also a scrap of a card base kit from this kit, 1 5/8 by 3 1/2. Now I'm going to tell you where those 2 bits came from. They came from me cutting this square here from project number 18. So that's where I had these extra bits. And guys, I haven't even trimmed them down. They are like they are from when I cut them. I'm using the banner sentiment strip and one of the wee little flowers here. And the inside, oh yes, and I also had this bit left over. So for the inside, it needs to be 3 3/4 by 4 1/4. I'll trim it down once I glue it down to the card. So let's get started. And if you guys ask me how I come up with these things, sometimes I just sit here and things just like fall into place. And this is one of them. I had all my leftovers out, and this bit here fell onto the card. And I thought, oh my gosh, that would look so cool popped up. And that's what we're doing. Wait till I know it's going to come out good. I just know it. So what I do want to start with is I want to stamp on the banner piece here. And I want the flag end to go in towards the card. And I want that stamp from the kit that says 1,000 good luck wishes. Let me give you a little visual of what the stamp said. Hello friend, 1,000 good luck wishes. The 4 different dandelions. I cut this one right here, and all wishing you all the best. So this is going to get stamped. Now only question is, what color do I use? Do I use Bumblebee or do I use like Old Olive? And you know what? We're going to go with the Pebbled Path. Something totally not. Pebbled Path is the spot they sent us in the kit. There it is. I need to put it in its little case. So we're going to use it. So I want to stamp it kind of over here because I'm going to have a flower go there. So I want it right there. And then I give it a second. Ta-da! I'm happy with that. Yes, 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 yes. Now we need to open up our card base here and stamp wishing you all the best in the Pebbled Path again, just like that. And I think just for kicks, we're going to do that course, the hello friend on the front. Then we will have used all 3 sentiments from the stamp kit. Ah, yes, yes, yes. I'm not going to do any other stamping. That's it. Simple, sweet, and simple. And let's just get this card decorated. move my ink block over there. So this bit, this is done. This we don't need for the moment. Watch me lose it here in a second. So we need to glue that half of the card base back onto a new card base. And I used white for this one just because then I don't have to add a piece to the inside. Oh, it is a wet, rainy, cold, very cold day here. And it's getting dark, so it's going to get colder. My little dog so desperately wanted out of my stamp room because I keep turning the heater off. Even though she was in her little donut pillow, she was not happy with me. So dimensions, so this is not getting any dimension, and you'll see why in a minute. So this is going to get glued right as far over as we can. It's going to leave that flagged in, going towards the center or to the left of my card. Got glue on my nail polish. Didn't think about it when I was getting my nails done the other day. I could have had her do dandelions on it, but that's okay. I really like this very subtle design. If you look at that. You get this little purple stripe going down the center of the nails. I think that was really pretty. She was like, do you want me to add a rhinestone? I'm like, no, they pop off. I go from hot to cold, and they do not like it. So this piece here is what's going on dimensionals. So because this one is going on dimensionals, we're going to do all 4 corners to start with. And then we're going to do the center. And then I'm going to do 2 more just for support. Some might say it's overkill, but because I am having stuff on it, I want to make sure, let me get those off of my fingers, make sure it has some support in the center. So it's a big piece. Sometimes, you know, I just feel like some things need it and some things don't. So this is going, let's turn it this way and I could probably show you better using my grid. Let's get to, I am going to put it, oops, got it going backwards there. I want that darker bit going up to where the darker stuff is. So it's coming in at 1 1/4 from the top of the card. It's just easier for me to lay it. So do you see that? So it's 1 1/4 inches down from there. It looks so cool. So this bit, I might even, do I want to, no, I'm not going to, I was like, do I want to make it popped up more? You could. I am not. You could. I, again, am not. I'm going to be good. So this one now is going to go in the center, but all the way over, like so. This, like I said, this is not meant to be difficult. Now my little flower here is going to kind of cover up that banner, and that is what I am after. So I'm going to cut my little stem. You know, I'm not afraid to do a little surgery, but I'm going to round it off. So I'm going to follow it here, and I'm going to just curve it up like that, so it doesn't have just a straight cut to it. So I just took off its tail end. Dimensionals, no dimensionals, dimensionals, no dimensionals. No dimensionals. Gonna be good. I don't know what good means, but I'm gonna be good. So now the trick is to get it to cover all of that flagged area. There we go. Ta-da! That's how simple this is. Oh, love it when it's that simple. So now we open it up. I could have got that a little higher. We know this is 3/4 of an inch, so I'm going to stick it this way to guide how far I'm going to stick glue there. I'm going to take it, turn it around, butt it up against the crease, and I'm going to cut it off. And can you believe, like, we're going to add some Wink Stella and maybe some of those blue rhinestone gemmy things, those faceted gems they sent us. Don't forget the little ones down there. We do want those to sparkle and shine. And guys, that is how quick and easy this video is going to come out. We're going to do the leaves, the grass, and I have a rhinestone like stuck in this bag and it's driving me nutty. So let's see if I can use it. I'm not sure how it got stuck in the bag. Maybe I can't use it. If I had... Why am I wasting video time, right, on that? Okay, we won't. It's driving me nuts. So let's add a few. Yeah, we're going to use the blue sparkly ones. So I want to do... I think I'm going to do... I don't know why I do that all the time. Like 2 here and 3 here. I don't know why that is so appealing to me, but we're going to do 1. And do I want to do 3 big ones and 2 little ones? No. No, yes, no, yes, yes. I got lots of the big ones. So here's 2. And it would be nice if it would just scooch an inch up. This one looks like it's bigger than the other one. I don't know why that looks like it's so much larger than that one. So there's 3. Well, and I'm not liking how they're lined up at all. This one is the culprit. This one is a different size of all the darn things. That is a different size. It most certainly is, and I don't know why. It's just an oddball. Okay, there's 3. Oh, I do like that. Now this one, of course, is not where it should be, and I'll probably have to add a glue dot because it'll probably fall off. So, you know what we're going to do? We're just going to add 2 right here. Yep, we're going to use the large ones. So I'm going to go here, and this one right there. That looks good. So there is my card. And did I not stamp the envelope? That's a different envelope. I'm like, I know I stamped that envelope. I did. I stamped it with Hello Friend. So that is a quick one, guys. I hope that you like this one. I think it's adorable. I think this just makes you focus on what it is saying. So thanks for watching, everybody. I invite you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as I would be very grateful. And please feel free to leave a comment whether you like this card, whether you don't like this card. I still would love to hear from you. The comments, guys, are what keep me going and keep me making and sharing my videos with you. So thank you so very, very much. And as always, please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now.